In this video, I'll show you how to create Trello account. It's going to be a full guide video. Make sure what I'm going to show you in this video. Now make sure I've installed the Trello app on your iPhone or your Android. So this is the Trello app, so I'm going to click on it. Now click on that sign up. You're going to be able to see some options. So I'm going to continue with Google. So I think that is the one that is easier, or that is the easiest. So I'm going to use the account I use for just test tutorial. So I'm going to click on continue with Google. So it's going to ask you this. So I'm going to click on continue. Okay, so once you click on continue, you're going to be able to select the email you want to use for this. So I'm using this mail that I use for just test tutorial. So I'm going to click on continue. So this is what is going to come out. So you're going to click on create account. So click on continue. So yeah, I just created my own Trello account. So try this as well. It's going to work out well for you. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I will see you on the very next video.